How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 GTO. It's had a complete frame off restoration a few years back. Exceptionally nice car, guys. Redone in its original Arctic white with a parchment interior, black vinyl top. Super nice car, guys. And this is a true 242 GTO, all PHS documented. Super slick paint on this car, straight down the sides. Really nice car, guys. Got your original Rally 2s on it with the correct center caps and lugs. The bumper's all been re-chromed. Just beautiful. All the tail light housings. Very nice car, guys. Got the correct exhaust tips on it. Super nice car. Endura bumper. No cracks or anything in the bumper. Got your hideaway headlights. See how nice and clean the doors are. Now they did replace all the door panels in the car. The dash is original and it's in excellent condition. Just beautiful. Got the his and her shifter. Now the seat covers in this car are the originals. When they restored this car, it did not need covers. It just goes to speak of how nice a car it was to start with. There's no tears or cracks or anything in the seat covers or the headrest. Got all new carpet. Got a nice original spare. And you can see there you have the PHS documentation on the car. We have the whole folder of receipts of the build. Comes with the car cover. Just a super nice car, guys. And this guy's owned this car since 1998. Super nice. They did add a couple of gauges there at the front of the console. Just keep an eye on the motor. Nice and accurate. I really like the his and her shifter in it. It's a really cool option in these cars. And this is a numbers match car. Motor's been all redone. Just a super slick car. And I'll tell you that in the white with the black top and a parchment interior, very nice car, guys. Engine compartment's all really nicely detailed. Got your factory air cleaner with the chrome lid. It's power steering, power disc or brakes up front. Super nice car, guys. Fires right up, sounds good. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got the hideaways. They all work nice. Beautiful car, guys. Sounds real good. This is a 404 barrel. Got duals. Got the factory ram air exhaust manifolds on it. The reverse lights do work, and the car looks like we might have a bulb out on the one side. We'll get that taken care of. But this is just a super nice car, and I've driven this car about 60 miles myself, and it's just a fun car to drive. I drove it up to a cruise night and enjoyed it for the evening. Beautiful car, drove out perfect. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.